Hello and welcome to the Manheim Township Marching Band's public premiere performance. I could not be more proud of the 96 students who have worked diligently over the past 60 hours of rehearsal to put together this season's field show. They've worn masks, they've maintained social distance, they practiced for 3 straight band camp days in 100-degree heat, and most importantly, they've created friendships and memories that will last a lifetime. This band has shown what music means to them through their perseverance and determination to not let the pandemic stop them from creating their performance art. They give me hope for the future, because if they can create a quality marching band show in the middle of a pandemic while following a strict health and safety plan, what can't they accomplish? I would like to take a moment to thank our school administration, especially Mr. David Relat, for the unwavering support for the band, extracurriculars, and athletics, as well as for their tireless work in preparing for the reopening of school. Thank you to the band boosters who donated cases of sports drinks, water, and juices, and loaned us the coolers to keep them cold so the kids could enjoy them on the hot band camp days. Also, special thanks to Sa and Tim Navarez and the entire MTMB Executive Board for their never-ending supply of energy, enthusiasm, ideas, and support through this challenging time. Tonight's show is typical of a parent exhibition at the beginning of the season, but this year it means so much more to the kids, to the staff, and to the parents. On behalf of the entire marching band organization, please enjoy tonight's performance.
The Manheim Township High School Marching Band, currently in its 47th year of field performance, is proud to be performing for you this evening. This year's ensemble consists of 2 drum majors, 72 musicians, 19 color guard members, and 3 equipment squad members for a total of 96 participating students. Featured musical performers include Jonathan Bui on piccolo, Saturna Toledo on clarinet, Micah Hostetter, Olivia Jablonski, and Colin Toff on alto saxophone, Lily Baral and Jacob Luce on trumpet, Jamie Mahaffey on flugelhorn, and Danielle Buffa on baritone. The featured visual performers are Alana De Jesus and Madison Richards. The marching band is directed by Mr. Scott Siegel. The assistant director is Mr. Scott Paulus. Tonight's performance is under the very capable field command of drum majors Alexander Wood and Neve McConnell. This year's show features the music of American singer, songwriter, composer, and pianist Billy Joel, commonly nicknamed the Piano Man after his first major hit and signature song of the same name. He has led a commercially successful career as a solo artist since the 1970s, having released 12 studio albums between 1971 and 2001. He is one of the best-selling music artists of all time, with over 150 million records sold worldwide. Tonight's musical sections include Piano Man, The Ballad of Billy the Kid, Just the Way You Are, Prelude, Root Beer Rag, and Angry Young Man. And now, the Manheim Township Marching Band is proud to present its 2020 field show, Piano Man. The music of Billy Joel.